TV Burundi.
This is the App TV Burundi online TV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and all social media platforms. Please follow us. App TV Burundi, together we can.
Fellow travelers, how can you consider yourselves travelers if you haven't visited this place? This is Burundi, a country in Central Eastern Africa. This is a place that needs no introduction. Some call it the heart of Africa. Others coined it the country of milk and honey, or the Switzerland of Africa. But now, travelers and locals, mesmerized by the beauty and wonders of this beautiful nation, they refer it to the Eden Garden. They are not wrong. Burundi is one of the most beautiful places you can ever visit in the world. Some say it's the most poorest country in the world. And I say, does this looks poor to you? Or did the definition of poor change over the years? Because there is no way you can convince me that this is the poorest spot in the world. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing at the irony here. According to haters' logic, the most effortlessly beautiful country in the world is the most poorest spot. I'm not buying it. Keep your logic and your crazy indicators. Anyways, if you are wise, you should do as I do. You should add Burundi to the must-see places for this summer, because this place has a lot to offer. Trust me, this place will heal your fatigue and depression. Besides, you can get a chance to lay down on the shores of Lake Tanganyika, the second largest freshwater lake the world. You'll visit the country's hot springs in Mahwa or Cibitoke. You'll be able to swim under the Carrera waterfalls in Rutana district, as well as visiting Les Failles des Allemands, or Failles de Nyakazu, which is a gorge in eastern Burundi, with an estimated terrain elevation of 1,809 meters above sea level. Wait, there is more. You'll be able to meet in person the best drums and best drummers in the whole world, located the center of Burundi, Gitega, specifically Gishora. These are not any kind of drums. They are sacred drums, a heritage from the Kingdom of Burundi. Drums held a special place in the Kingdom of Burundi, and they were played on every major event, and the drumming tradition still goes on even today. Your journey to Burundi will even get better when you see for the first time the most southern source of the Nile. Yes, you heard it right. The most southern source of the Nile River is located in Burundi, precisely in Rutovu. There is also a pyramid there which was built when this source of the Nile was first discovered. Furthermore, you also find there the Ruvubu National Park, the Rusizi National Park, and the Kibera National Park. I could go on, talking about the beautiful tourist destinations in Burundi. Okay, no more spoilers. It's best if you discover for yourself what the heart of Africa brings to the world. Welcome to Burundi.
To Burundi, country number 7. My cycling trip from Cairo to Cape Town. First impressions, it is very lush, very green. It is flat, which is really nice after the land of 1,000 hills, aka Rwanda. There's a lot of people in the streets. They're usually very nice. Surprisingly, a lot of people speak French. Ça va? There's a lot of people on bicycles carrying very heavy loads. It is ever so impressive. To be honest, I don't know much about this country except that it is one of the poorest in the world. If you have anything to share, anything you want me to know about this country, please comment down below. I really want to know. I want to learn. I'm so curious to know as much as possible about all the countries I'm traveling across. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this country has to offer. Let's go!
Do not look at the president or his guest. But look further in the background. I personally think the Burundian flag is the most beautiful flag in the world, and I don't care if you think otherwise. I mean, just look at the flag. Isn't it too stunning? It's shiny, it's beautiful, it's golden, best color combinations. It just feels alive. This flag gives you an impression that Burundi is a prosperous and wealthy country. The truth is, it is prosperous but wealthy? I don't know. It's complicated. But the situation is improving gradually. I only hope that in the future, Burundi's